Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to activate FaceTime in iOS. If you're using any iOS device, it might be your iPhone or any iPad, and you want to activate your FaceTime. So let's see how can you do that. You have to simply open your settings app here. The very first that you have to check for updates. So open your general section, go for software update, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending software updates. If you find any pending software updates here, try to update your software, then go back from here and you have to scroll down and look for this app section. Select that, then scroll down and look for FaceTime. Select your FaceTime here. Further scroll down and you'll get the option of FaceTime here. You must have to activate or enable your FaceTime from here. So simply enable that. And once you have enabled the toggle, your FaceTime will be enabled. Now you just have to wait for almost 5 to 10 seconds until it's activated. Or you can also try to relaunch your settings app. So close it, then relaunch it or reopen it. Open app section again. Go for FaceTime again, and here you can see that your FaceTime is now activated. Now you will see your send and receive option here. So in this way, you can easily activate your FaceTime on your iPhone or any iPad. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.